The rich, they feel that the rich is buying fuel. Okay, so that now, because you can use life to tell
the payment of my school fees.
Ọdẹrọ ẹ jẹ́ kí ìlú ọdá ẹ jẹ́ ká mọ̀ pa lórí ẹ ṣàánú fún wa àwọn abiyamọ ayé abiyamọ ọ̀run ẹ ṣàánú wa ẹ ràn wá lọ́wọ́ epo wọn ẹ̀wà wọn rẹ́ẹ̀sì wọn iṣu wọn àrímọ́tò wọn ẹjọ́ tó lọ́lọ́ ẹ ṣàánú wa o ẹ ṣàánú fún wa ẹ ṣàánú àwọn ọ̀dọ́ àwọn ọmọléèwé ẹ jẹ́ káwọn náà kọ́gbọ́ wọn kú yọ káwọn náà dẹ nílá ẹ ṣàánú fún wa ẹ ní wá lára ẹjọ́ tó lọ́lọ́ náà ní ní lára ẹ ṣàánú wa o ẹ má fẹ́ bí pa wá mọ́ ẹjọ́ tó rí ọlọ́ọ̀ abẹ́yìn ẹ̀yin abiyamọ ayé abiyamọ ọ̀run ẹ ṣàánú wa o ẹ ṣàánú fún wa o.
To feed our children.
100 naira.
Okay,
now it's 400. Can I?
They should do something about it. We are dying hungry.
This is a bottle of Coke, right?
We to take care of our children.
Okay, 100 naira before.
But
now this is 400.
The day is very
so how did you enjoy this government?
We should do something about it before something
How did you enjoy this government?
Whatever comes next, we will know. They are very insensitive. I'm sorry to say that. This government is very, very insensitive. People are crying no food. A lot of children did not go to school this last term because the schools increased their money. And this coming session, they will not have a way to go because my own grandson is at home.
Yes.
And the increase on it is about 200,000. How many parents can afford that? This current economic hardship. Our students, our youths, our children, they are learning, studying under very, very hard conditions. I can attest to that. And yet they want to live peacefully. So this protest is going to be peaceful. The Nigerian youths too, everybody is adhering to instructions. Nigerians are peaceful, fun-loving people until you steer them to action. And all their utterances are the things that will steer them. You cannot be there buying SUV for $200,000. You cannot be there buying tires, $200,000. Tires to that SUV within 1 year. There are 82,000. We don't even talk about hundreds again. Not even about billions. We are talking about billions and trillions. In another 6 months, we're not talking about trillions.
We are tired. We are hungry. We are tired. We want a better Nigeria.
Nigeria. We say no to bad government. We say no to bad government. We say no to bad government. All we want is to calm down. Like the toll gate, gas was fired straight to the send boys at me. I saw it. Do you understand? The tear gas was fired straight at me and the send boys at me. Because of what? Because I asked the policeman a simple question. Are you not a Nigerian? After today, after tomorrow, what is the hope for Nigerians? What is the hope for our children? What is the hope for our future generation? There is nothing. Very soon we will not have a land to call our own. They have been borrowing money and borrowing money. Very soon white people will take over. We are going back to slavery gradually. Do we not deserve better? Do you not deserve better? We deserve better. Tinubu should answer to the people. Tinubu should answer to the people. Give the people a good life. Since 1960, nothing has changed. Nothing has changed. You know how long we have graduated? Nothing. There's no hope for anybody anywhere. If you think there's hope, you're deceiving yourself.
Àgbàlagbà ó dàgbà ní òṣè yín ká ní òtọ́yọ̀ sọ èèyàn máa ń fọwọ́ bò ní. Wọ́n bá mọ̀ káwọn ò tá ṣe àṣìṣí bọ́dà àwọn ò tó pàkọ́ kú òun bẹ̀.
Don't attack this place. This is the is our home. We are not like the politicians and the so-called children who have no citizenship. We have only one green card, which is Nigeria. ECOWAS in West Africa. There was something in Nigeria. One Nigeria. No Igbo, no Yoruba, no Hausa, no Ibido. We are one.